Eggs have become an essential part of our lives and are eaten around the world every day. For example, an omelette can vary from region to region and can have different textures and taste as per the liking of the people. Spanish people bake their omelets with spinach, olives, potatoes, cheese, chopped vegetables and call it a Spanish omelette. Masala omelette is quite popular in India, which is spiced up with fresh green chilies and dry spices. Similarly, tamagoyaki is a type of Japanese omelette, which is made by rolling together several layers of cooked egg. These are often prepared in a rectangular omelette pan. And a soft centered egg that is rolled in the shape of a rugby ball is known as a French omelette. You can watch our next video and learn how is a French omelette made.
There are a lot of techniques and ways that are used around the world to cook an egg, but there are a few of them that are very popular and are used on day-to-day basis. The most common techniques to cook an egg are: 1. Fried eggs. 2. Sunny side up. 3. Over easy. 4. Scrambled eggs. 5. Boiled eggs. 6. Poached eggs. 7. Omelette. 8. Short eggs or baked eggs. In this video we will learn about all these ways of cooking eggs in detail, so stay tuned and watch the video carefully.
A few ways of cooking eggs are: 1. Fried eggs. Fried eggs are generally consumed by people who do not like to have their eggs raw. This dish is very popular across the world. Fried eggs are also used in sandwiches and burgers as a filling. 2. Sunny side up. Sunny side up goes out with a lot of names such as bullseye, half fried, sun and moon, and eyeball in Japan because of the round texture of the egg yolk. 3. Over easy. Over easy is a variation of a sunny side up or a fried egg. Over easy is a sunny side up that is flipped and cooked for a few seconds, which cooks the egg whites but leaves the egg yolks uncooked and runny. 4. Scrambled eggs. Beaten eggs are pushed and stirred around the frying pan as they cook to achieve a soft melt in the mouth texture. Scrambled eggs are usually cooked using butter, cream, or milk to avoid the eggs from overcooking and to keep them moist. Varieties of scrambled eggs can vary from region to region. Agure, egg burji, and eggs frizzle are a few types of scrambled eggs from around the world. 5. Boiled eggs. Boiled eggs are whole eggs that are cooked while being simmered in water. Boiled eggs can be cooked as per preference of an individual. A boiled egg can be served as a soft boiled egg, medium boiled egg, or a hard boiled egg. 6. Poached eggs. Poaching is a method used to cook food in boiling water. This technique is best for people who want to avoid using oil while cooking their eggs. Herbs, butter and salt can be added to the poaching liquid to enhance the flavor of the eggs. One of the most popular dish that is used to serve poached eggs is Eggs Benedict. The poached eggs are placed on English muffins with the choice of meat or blanched spinach and is served topped with hollandaise sauce. This dish is savored around the world and is a common sight in restaurants and hotels. 7. Omelette. An omelette is a dish made from beaten eggs, fried with butter or oil in a frying pan. It is quite common for the omelette to be folded around fillings such as cheese, herbs, vegetables, mushrooms and meat. 8. Shirred eggs or baked eggs. Shirred eggs are also known as baked eggs. These are cracked eggs that have been baked in a flat-bottomed dish using an oven. A baked egg can be made simple and nutritious with the use of healthy ingredients like avocados and leafy vegetables.
We have come to the end of this lesson. Let us know in the comments section which is your favorite egg preparation. If you have found the video informative, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. We hope that you have enjoyed this video. We will be back again with another video soon.